Alrighty. Kinda hoping this is working. I think this one's recording. I don't know. Can't tell. So I've got the new Bluetooth head pack hooked up to the old Hero 4. Just got that, and I got the new GoPro Hero 7 Black to kind of a little upgrade, guys. You know, biggest complaint I get is audio my video, so I figured saved up a little cash and a little extra money laying around, and what the heck, I'll go ahead and buy some new toys. So we'll see how it works out. So far, if it's working, my Apple CarPlay is still connected, even though I'm still using the SENA for audio, just hooked up through the intercom system. So hopefully it's working. But we're going off to, or I'm going off. My wife thought about coming, but she didn't want to wake up. Well, she's up, but she didn't want to get going. Anywho, just couldn't tell the lights on the older one, the older GoPro, the little blinky red light lets you know recording is a lot brighter than on the old black here. So I just want to stop and check that. I'm going off to meet Buddy up. Go grab some breakfast before it gets 10,000 degrees out here in Florida. It has been hot down here. The heat index has been in the hundreds. Humidity is through the roof. So we'll go check it out. But hopefully this thing's working, because it would suck. Alright, now got the old visor up. Let's see how that works out. So, kind of just checking the wind noise, probably atrocious. So let's put the screen up. Just trying different settings to see how the screen, how it works, you know. So camera, you know, noise, background noise. If I go visor down, screen all the way up, this is just an audio check of going across the beautiful Caloosahatchee River. Screen down all the way. So hopefully there's not a huge amount of mic noise. I noticed there was some hissing in this damn thing. It's a beautiful morning though over there, isn't it? All right. What's going on YouTube? Pete coming at you from the back of the old 2018 GL 1800. He's up there on the old 05. Gotta crank it up a little bit there, get some of the carbon out. 92,888. And turned 9,000 about a month and a half ago. Just Not going far. How many miles you got now? How many miles you have now?
11,000.
It's like, I'm going to pass him with this one. I'm going to pass you with this one of these days. So yeah, we're just heading over to Matt Lachey here and out to Pine Island if you're ever in Southwest Florida and you want to go to the Ragged Ass. It's out on what's called Pine Island, St. James City. This is about as old Florida as you can get nowadays. It seems like old Florida is disappearing rapidly. I mean, really, for Florida, I mean, this is what it used to be. When you head to Florida beaches, it wasn't all the Miami, and it was pretty low key. It was just, little homes, little cool places on the water to get something to eat, have a couple beers, beat up your fishing rod. Yeah. So it's only got 11,000 miles on that bike. That's hilarious. Jeez, me Christmas, what a douche. I'm just gonna pull out because I know you'll stop. It's one thing when you just got your truck, you bozo, but when you're hauling a boat trailer. Just about, not cool, man. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. Little cottages and shacks and little homes to rent. A little bit of an art scene out here too, and good fishing. Got some fishing piers. Plenty of places to throw the old hook in the old water if you want. Good place to kayak, So, yeah, if you're ever down here, you just want a kind of an old school vacation, this would do it for you. But anyway, so far, I'm hoping this is working. Apple CarPlay. Okay, so I'm going to talk about, this thing is supposedly working with Apple CarPlay. The headset's connected in, the Bluetooth backpack is on the camera. It gave me the audio's recording signal, so hopefully it is. But let's see if it works with the old Hey Siri. Alright, let's go. Alright, so Siri worked. Hopefully this thing's still recording the sound. Because that'd be a big bonus. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not with the backpack and with the Apple CarPlay. I still don't know if it's going to work because, well, I'm on the bike and I can't hear it. And so, anywho. Alright, just about at the old ragged ass.
The destination is on your right. Right, that saloon. Arrived.
Thanks.
As you can see, got a little work to do with the SENA backpack device. A little clicking and popping going on. Overall, it performed pretty well with the Apple CarPlay on the bike. It had that dead spot in it, and that was about it. Everything else worked fine. The audio system worked fine. The being able to shuffle through songs, anything like that, still worked normally with Apple CarPlay on the 2018 Honda Goldwing and 2019 Honda Goldwing, as far as I know. So, if you're thinking about doing the SENA backpack and wonder if your Apple CarPlay will work, it does. I'll work out some kinks on it and give an update as soon as I can. So thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I try to get back to any questions that are answered if I can about the Honda Goldwing. Thanks.